Gentlemen, if she exhibits all of these qualities, not one or two, but all, it might be time for you to start packing your bags. She's not submissive. Do you always feel like you are not in control of your relationship? How do you know she's not submissive? Does she struggle with being under someone in power? Is she someone who seeks authority but never really stays under authority herself? One of your biggest hints lies in her relationship with her dad. If she doesn't respect her dad, she most probably won't respect you. Listen, gentlemen, men and women are wired differently. Men define submission and respect as love. The highest form of love she can offer you is her willing submission. Yes, it has to be willingly, and that's the tricky part. But I'll delve into that in another video. When she's submissive, she's saying, I'm willing to stay under your lead. She's assuming her feminine role and letting you assume your masculine role, creating the dynamic you want in your relationship. Without this dynamic, you are doomed to failure. If you ever feel like your woman doesn't respect you, it's probably because she doesn't. We've been programmed to recognize respect when we see it. She neither notices nor reciprocates your efforts. Do you give it your all but still feel like it's not enough? It's probably because she's making you feel that way passively. It might be an innocent sentence or a subtle dismissive action. Does she do the bare minimum but have insane standards for you? Do you feel like you have to ask for everything? She barely makes an effort for you or the relationship, and even your best efforts never satisfy her. If she doesn't notice your efforts when you're trying your best, know that she probably never will, no matter how much more you try. She only wants what you have. Listen, gentlemen, when people say they love McDonald's, they mean the burger, not the company. People don't love the McDonald's company, they love the burger itself. Whether an employee slipped on their way to give them the burger or the chef burned himself making it, they don't really know and in reality don't want to be involved. They want their burger well prepared every time they go there. Sorry to say, gentlemen, but this might be your relationship. In this scenario, you are the McDonald's company and the burger is what you give to her. She only cares about what you give her and how you make her feel. But she doesn't care about your well-being or how much you have to break to fulfill her desires. People will pay money only because they want the burger and it makes them feel a certain way. Know the difference. Male friends. Gentlemen, if your woman prefers male friends over female friends, it might be time to reconsider your options. No matter what she tells you, there's no good reason for you to allow this. I can't stress this enough. She might say, female friends are snitches. I prefer male friends. Or, we are just friends. Listen, gentlemen, you want a woman of your own. More often than not, these male friends are either guys who have been intimate with her before, are still intimate with her from time to time, or are people she's rejected in the past or will date in the future. Those male friends mostly just want to sleep with her and won't stop until they do. She'll argue with you because she likes the benefits she gets from them, which come in the form of attention and sometimes intimacy. Again, her naivety is what's fooling you. She knows exactly what she gets from such relationships, and that's why she's defending them. She takes things lightly, especially mistakes. Is she someone who promises easily but rarely fulfills those promises? Does she promise change, but nothing ever changes? In fact, it just gets worse. Does she make repetitive mistakes, but dismisses them as light errors? She might say things like, you're overreacting, or I don't see why you're making such a big deal out of this. And it cuts you so deep you want to make her see that. But she doesn't. Gentlemen, she might be toying with you. She might know exactly how much damage she's causing and just acts naive to get away with it. Pathological liar. If your woman lies without flinching, always coming up with outlandish stories, or lies even when there's no need and you think she makes an exception for you, she doesn't. It can come in the form of altering small details whenever she tells a story you know to someone else, and you know it didn't go that way. Listen to me, gentlemen. If she lies easily to others, she lies easily to you too. I can't stress this enough. Double standards. Does your woman do certain things and want you to be patient with her actions, but doesn't do the same when roles are reversed? Does she get annoyed when she sees you with a girl, but is always around men herself? She might say things like, but those women would want you, or You're only doing this because I'm doing this. Or, you're not that kind of person. Is she someone who is unavailable but expects you to be available once she is? Listen, gentlemen, the likelihood is she knows what she does behind your back and doesn't want you to do the same because she's selfish and doesn't want to go through the pain she knows you'll cause her once you start doing what she does. If she embodies all the qualities mentioned above, leave. Do it now or you'll find yourself doing it later, perhaps when it's too late. But make no mistake, you will eventually leave because enduring this type of woman is close to impossible. You won't be able to stand this forever. It's better to walk away now and preserve your sanity and self-respect than to drag out a relationship that's doomed to fail. Make the choice for your future and don't settle for less than you deserve. Thank you for watching, gentlemen. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more content on mastering modern manhood. Balance is mastery, gentlemen. Own your path.